We can't wait to come visit you at the library this summer. And we're going to bring our very own fire-breathing dragon. Imagine that. All right, Abraham DeLacy, Giuseppe Casey, Thomas O'Malley, PhilforShort. Whoa! It's smoking! How cool is that? Look at that! It worked! We are going to try and blow ping pong balls, doubling as snow, through this tube into your mouth so it'll put the fire out. Wow! I'm amazed every time I see you do that. Okay, let's try and using our air soup gun, we're gonna put out the candle again, okay? Thank you from the Mad Science Lab. That's what we have for you here today. We'll see you next time here in the lab.